everybody, how are you all? This is Dr. Shama Hussain. Today I want you to know the difference between active, reactive and proactive. It's a small gesture actually. Many of us really don't work on it. If we work on this proactiveness, we will really get success in our life. To make you understand what is reactive and proactive, let me give you a small example. There was a boy with 2 apples in his hand. His father has come to him and asked him, "Can you give me 1 apple?" The child, the innocent child, what he did, he took the apple and started biting both of them. He started biting both of them and gave one of the apple to his father. The father was so angry that he started beating him. He started beating him so violently. And then after beating, he told him, "Can't you give me the apple without biting? When you have 2 with you, 1 you can take and another 1 you can give me without biting." You know the son said what? The small innocent child, he said, "Father, actually I wanted to know which apple is sweeter so that I can give it to you. Which apple is sweeter so that I can give it to you." You can imagine the regret that the father felt that time was really vulnerable. He cannot control that. He was so sad for his deed. This is called reactive father. Means act, stop and then think. He will act first. But proactive father, what he will do if he was a proactive father? He will first think, stop and then act. Think, stop and then act. I think most of us are reactive, right? If anybody tell anything, we react faster. We don't think what's exactly. We don't consider, we don't go deeper, we don't think about it. So when we become successful in following proactiveness, then our life, personal as well as professional, will become very successful. The boss in the office, if he be proactive, then he will understand what's going on with every person. Every person in the world are having some problems. So whenever anyone encounters with you, try to grace them. So this is what reactive and proactive difference. I hope you all will try to be proactive. Don't act, my dear friends. Don't act first. Stop, think and then act. Please follow this rule. Please follow this rule. Stop, think and then act. Stop, think and then act. Then you will see how successful your life. Got it? Okay then. Dr. Shama Hussain. Bye-bye.